Y'all not about to talk about me.
I'm in it to win it, I'ma be the best, yes sir. Started from the bottom, I ain't had no one, yes sir. Had to get big on them Bruce Banner. Rose with wigs, turning into a dancer. I got hard, I got soft, what you want? Since the day that I've been on, they been blowing up my phone.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Paulo Has coming at you with another video. Alright, today we got something a little different. We're gonna do an unboxing. I'm going to show y'all a cheaper option for budget YouTubing, if you will. For those who don't have the big bucks like myself, I'm brokety broke, but I'm like a classy broke. I'm El Broke. You know what I'm saying? Gotta put it down, gotta hold it down. Today I'm gonna show y'all this little puppy right here, you know what I'm saying? The Rode Video Micro. I know y'all see that right there, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all see all of that, y'all see all of that, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I know y'all can see it, cause I see it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so the Rode Video Micro it's a compact mic, meaning it's small for our uneducated folks. It's small, it's portable, it's durable, and it's not battery powered. Like, it literally runs off the power of your camera, or the battery of your camera for some. So technically it is battery powered. Y'all get what I'm saying. Either way, I'm gonna show y'all this. First, we're gonna do a test run. Obviously, y'all can hear me without the microphone. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna unbox it first, show y'all how it looks, show y'all everything that comes inside, and I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sounds with the microphone. So we about to get straight into it. About to unbox it, open it up. It got this, it's got this seal to it. I got no scissors in it to cut this. I don't know why I didn't think about this shit first. Don't laugh at me. Kind of struggling there. Alright, we finally got it out. So, open it up. It comes in a nice plastic. You know that shit. Throw the box to the side. So, it comes in this little casing. Pretty much just open it up, and so it's pretty straightforward from what I see. There's a stand that you can have it on. There's a high shoe to connect on the top of your camera. You just insert the mic in this hole. Okay, comes with the audio cord. Like I said, it's not battery powered, but then again, even the battery powered ones come with an audio cord. This comes with a little small manual in it that you do not need. And here's the microphone. It's like small, y'all. Like, it's beyond small. I can't say beyond small because it's smaller mics than this. But this is a pretty small mic compared to the other Rode mics. And the best part about this one, it comes with this dead cat. For the people that do not know what a dead cat is, it's basically a wind protector. For like if you're filming outside, it's a windy day, this is what keeps all the wind from coming in on your video, so you won't hear it in the microphone. All the other Rode mics you have to buy separately. This is the only one that comes with a dead cat on. I love it. So we're gonna keep the dead cat on for now. I don't know why I like having a dead cat on it. I just prefer, because that's how it came. And we just go and put it. Oh shit. So just put it in like that. That's how it balances out. Take the cord out. After I put the cord in or whatever, I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sounds. You know, try to do like a side-by-side comparison. You know, you just put it into the back, and the other one you just put into, Jesus. Oops. The other one you just put into the camera. And it's just that simple. You just plug and go, and it's all good to go, man. Alright, so this is how the footage sounds without a mic. You're using the mics that's already built on the camera. Alright, and now I have the Rode Video Micro sitting on top of my camera. This is what it sounds like with the microphone. I can't tell right now while I'm recording, but I'm pretty sure you can probably hear the sound difference. It's a pretty compact mic, like I said, it sits up nice on the camera. It's pretty small compared to the other Rode mics. And for the price, it's really good sound quality. The Rode Video Micro is priced at about $59.99, so basically $60 compared to the other Rode mics, $100, $150, $200, $250. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a good price. Alright, so I'm gonna keep filming with the Rode Video Micro just to, give it a little test run, give it, a fair chance to prove itself against my basically external microphones on my camera. I just want to hear how it sounds, like different compared to how, my regular footage sounds. For the most part, of course I went back and listened to it. It seems like, less distorted. It's not as much background noise as it is with using my camera mic. It seems like it really covers that up a bit. You can kind of hear my voice more clearly without hearing other things. Alright, I'm basically giving the Rode Video Micro another test run, but this time I'm doing it without the dead cat on it. I just wanted to see if it was a difference between the sound quality with the dead cat and the sound quality without the dead cat. I wanted to make sure that the dead cat itself wasn't muffling the microphone in a way, just keeping some sound out a little bit. But then again, like I said, even with the dead cat on, it sounded pretty good, pretty crisp. I had no problem with it, wasn't no distortion. You couldn't really just hear background stuff. It was pretty much straightforward. Alright, so back to recording. Like I said, the sound is pretty much crispy. I got the dead cat back on the microphone for some strange reason. It just looked better that way. But for the most part, I ain't got no complaints. Like I said, I've tested out some of the other mics. I've read reviews on some of the other mics, and it just said this was just one of the better options for the price. You know what I'm saying? Apparently the Video Mic Go, I think it's the Video Mic Go. It's like the slightly bigger Rode mic. Apparently one problem is that a lot of people keep saying that they hear a hissing noise at the back of the microphone, like when you recording outside. And people said with this one, you don't hear any of that in the back of the microphone. It's just pretty much straightforward, kind of like pretty much a shotgun mic. You don't hear anything else. Alright, also today, this was not the only thing that I was unboxing. You know what I'm saying? We have the Joby handypod mobile lock. Now, I know it said mobile lock, but you can also use it for your camera. You know what I'm saying? So I bought this because I wanted a Joby GorillaPod, but one of the guys at Best Buy suggested this. He said it's a lot more sturdier because even with the GorillaPods, yeah, you have the benefit of being able to wrap it around anything, but at the same time, those joints in between the GorillaPods, they give in, they give out sooner or later. And with the type of camera that I have, it's not a small camera, so it tends to fall over and everything. So he suggested this. He said it's pretty sturdy. You can either sit it up on a desk like so, or you can just, use it to vlog with. Like I said, it's not just for your phone. They have the feature for your phone, but you can also use it for a camera too, like a DSLR. That's beyond proper. I need to stop doing it. Because people be meeting me and thinking that I'm gonna sound proper in person. They hear nothing but Memphis coming out of me. Nothing but Memphis. It's crazy. I can't even return it even if I wanted to. I messed up the box. Too late now. It was like that when I got it. That's what I'm saying. It was like that when I got it. Alright, so that new box smell. So this is basically how it comes. Comes in this little plastic casing. There's the handypod right there. There's the phone clip. We won't really just be needing a phone clip, but at the same time, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks for my people, for my, my budget YouTubers that are using their phone to do YouTube. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with it. Oh. Dang, okay. So this is a lot sturdier than what I thought. And you know what I'm saying? I got big hands. You know what I'm saying? I got big hands. My hands ain't even small. And if I wanted to use this to vlog with, like, it'll be real good because it won't be like bending and falling over and stuff like that. And okay, and there's the stand option. If I want to sit my camera down and just vlog somewhere, he's basically put it as like a vlog and go type thing, like, which is pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? So you can either screw it on one or two ways. You can either screw it to the side like this, or you can screw it like this. Either or. I would prefer people screw it in from the bottom because when you record, as I told you guys, for my people who record on their phones, if you don't want those black lines on the side of your screen, you're gonna have to do it horizontally instead of vertically. You know what I'm saying? You see how I gotta enunciate my words? Because any other time, folks act like they can't even understand what I be saying, bro. Like, I don't like that. I don't like that. Y'all be having me messed up. What you see? Oh, okay, I feel it. So this thing at the back, I was wondering. Oh wait, can y'all see it? Y'all probably can. This thing at the back, I was wondering what this is for. So when it's pushed in, this thing is like locked in place. You can't pull it up. When it's pushed out like that, that's what unlocks it. So I'm gonna lock it in place like that, so my phone can't come out. So this is my phone. Like if I want to vlog, it's all good. Like it's not going nowhere. It's not dropping off. Let me stop doing that before my phone falls out. Don't judge my case, y'all. I'm a very big Harry Potter fan. Y'all not about to talk bad about me. I've been a Harry Potter fan since I was a kid. Y'all not about to do this. Hood people like Harry Potter too. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Don't do that. But you know what I'm saying? It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty cool, bro. Trying to figure out all the kinks. I don't wanna mess around and like press something and it break. I'm taking it back and be like, y'all sold me a faulty item. I'm not doing this. But yeah, it's pretty sturdy as far as things goes. See it right there. Y'all can't see it. I'm gonna show y'all some other time. Y'all not about to talk about me. I don't care what y'all got to say. Alright, y'all, but that's all that we have for today. I'm gonna try my best to do some more unboxing videos for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because I know people have so many questions when it comes down to, how to do this stuff or what's good or what's. I'm gonna tell you right now, you don't have to spend the utmost money to do YouTube. You don't. Start from the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do. It's other options than just spending your money on literally the newest and best stuff. It's ways around that you work your way up, bro. And even now, even with me, I bought this stuff for a reason. I'm brokey broke, bro. I ain't got the money to be buying all these expensive stuff. Nah, I can't do it. It ain't in me. I got bills. Bro. That ain't in me. So that's all for today. Oh, and you can get this at Best Buy for $29.99. I believe it's on sale right now. It's normally like $40, but you can get it for $30. Hurry up and get it before it goes off sale. Go to your local Best Buy. But yeah, you guys, I respect everybody that's trying to do YouTube. I respect everybody that's into entrepreneurship itself. I'm telling you, if you're gonna do YouTube, man. But make sure you're doing it for the right reason, man. Don't do YouTube for the money. I understand we all trying to make our paper, but YouTube is for you to express yourself, live your life to the fullest, and show people why they should be interested in your life. Don't do it for the money, because if that's what you're doing it for, you're not gonna succeed at this. You're gonna give up because you're not gonna get that money right then and there. Now have fun, build your channel, build a fan base, promote yourself, do what you invest in yourself. This is an investment. It might not seem like it to some people, but this is an investment. Buying anything that goes towards your business, entrepreneurship, YouTube is entrepreneurship. It's an investment, okay? Invest in yourself, because if you don't invest in your channel, however it may be, big, little, small, whatever, you're not gonna go nowhere if you don't invest in it. Alright, you guys, I'm trying to come at y'all with more content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you do not miss a thing. Alright, YouTube, I'm out.